Hi folks, I'm Nathan Walls with the city's Corporate Communications Department. We're out here today at Fayetteville Regional Airport. I'm with Allison Rogers, the Marketing Specialist for Fayetteville Regional Airport, and Dan Shields, the Senior Superintendent for the building contractor who's working on the project. Allison, what can you tell me is going on behind us?
Well, we've started our project and we have Concourse A torn down already. Currently, we are working on doing the rough-ins for the electrical and the plumbing.
Right. And what should customers expect during this construction project?
We are operating as normal. All tickets and TSA security lines are operating under normal conditions. Everything's being routed through Concourse B, so you shouldn't expect any delays or hassle coming in and out of the airport.
Okay. Dan, what specifics can you tell us about the project right now?
Well, right now we are a little ahead of schedule, as a matter of fact, and we are working on Concourse A, as Allison said. We're also working on the retaining walls for the building so that we can start going up with the masonry for the walls. We are working on the stairwell area. We're also roughing in the plumbing. So we are pumping that up with water right now. We're expecting an inspection tomorrow, so we're moving right along.
Okay. And when did this project get started?
This project started right around February when we really got going. And we expect it to last to, the contract date is July the 19th of 2019.
Okay, great. And when the project is finished, what should passengers here at the airport expect?
Oh, I think it's going to be a great experience for them because I think this Concourse A was built in 1959, and it was a walkout structure, so this is going to be fully automated. There's going to be 2 new gates that they'll be able to use, and I don't know what airline is going to be here, but it's going to be a totally upscale experience for them.
Well, Dan and Allison, thank you for joining us today. Folks, come check out Fayetteville Regional Airport and check them out online at www.flyfay.com.